What is up, everybody? It's your boy Spanish John, and we're back here with another unboxing. Normally this is what happened on Tuesdays with the releases, but we needed to make sure that you guys knew the way. And if you think you didn't know the way, think again, my brother. You do know the way. And with the help of Master Yoda, I will help you see the way. Oh, the Mandalorian. That's right. These finally dropped after being exclusive to Disney Plus for so long. And I say these because they dropped season 1 and 2 back to back. So I'll be unboxing both of these for y'all right here in a moment. With the Mando and Grogu. So let's start with number 1. Oh, I don't like that. Why you do that? Poor packaging. Anyways, poor packaging aside though. Very nice looking, alright. Let me take a look. Everything's fine. And then pop out the other one. If I can. It's just the wall, so it doesn't matter that you can't really see it. And then we have the art cards. I kind of feel bad opening this up. Like there's no like sealable flap. So for now, I will leave it like that. And that's the first season. We move on to season 2. And we're back with season 2. Let's hope that this one's better packaged. Oh, it was. So we gotta get the art card. And then there's the inside art. And I'll remove this. And this. And again, more background. So you're not missing much by having this here. Which is actually pretty smart. That's a good design. I'll give them A+ for that one. You might be limited to one side panel art, but better than being hardly able to see the other side ever. This has been Mando 1 and 2 unboxing, as in seasons 1 and 2. You know, picking up season 3 whenever they bring that. I did pick up another thing that they recently dropped, but you'll have to wait for that video to go live, where we're almost there. But for now, catch you in the next one. Peace.